Isn't it surprising that the colors in our food can actually benefit our health? The vibrant hues not only make our meals more appealing, but also provide important health benefits. In this article, I'll share some common food colors and their associated health benefits. Here are they. 1. Red color foods good for the heart. Foods like tomatoes, strawberries, and red peppers owe their color to lycopene, a powerful antioxidant linked to improved heart health. Lycopene helps reduce oxidative stress and inflammation, promoting smoother blood flow and reducing the risk of heart disease. Additionally, these foods are often rich in potassium and other nutrients that support cardiovascular function. 2. Yellow color foods good for the skin. Sun-kissed fruits and vegetables like bananas, corn, and yellow peppers are packed with vitamin C and carotenoids, which are essential for maintaining vibrant, healthy skin. Vitamin C aids collagen production, which keeps the skin firm and youthful, while antioxidants protect against damage from the sun and environmental toxins. 3. White color foods good for the immune system. White foods like garlic, onions, and cauliflower are rich in compounds like allicin and quercetin, which have strong anti-inflammatory and immune-boosting properties. These compounds can help fight off infections, reduce inflammation, and support the body's natural defenses. 4. Purple color foods, good for antioxidants. Purple-hued foods, including blueberries, eggplants, and grapes, are full of anthocyanins, potent antioxidants that protect cells from oxidative damage. These foods help slow the aging process, reduce the risk of chronic diseases, and support brain and heart health. 5. Orange color foods reduce inflammation. Carotenoid-rich foods like carrots, sweet potatoes, and pumpkins are great for reducing inflammation. Beta-carotene, which gives these foods their vibrant color, is converted into vitamin A in the body, helping to reduce inflammatory responses and supporting eye health. 6. Dark green color foods good for bone health. Leafy greens like spinach, kale, and broccoli are packed with calcium, magnesium, and vitamin K, all vital for strong, healthy bones. These minerals promote bone density and help prevent conditions like osteoporosis as we age. Blue color foods, great for brain health. Blueberries and other blue fruits are famous for their brain-boosting abilities. Rich in flavonoids, these foods improve cognitive function, memory, and learning by enhancing communication between brain cells and reducing oxidative stress. 8. Brown color foods, good for digestion. Whole grains, nuts, and seeds fall into this category. High in fiber, these brown foods promote healthy digestion by aiding in regular bowel movements and maintaining gut health. They also help in balancing blood sugar levels and keeping cholesterol in check. 9. Pink color foods great for hydration. Watermelon, pink grapefruit, and certain varieties of dragon fruit are fantastic for hydration. Their high water content not only quenches thirst, but also helps in maintaining electrolyte balance, keeping the body refreshed and energized. 10. Black color foods, good for heart health. Foods like black beans, blackberries, and black rice are filled with anthocyanins, similar to purple foods. These compounds help reduce inflammation, improve cholesterol levels, and support overall heart health. 11. Golden color foods promote glowing skin. Turmeric and saffron, with their golden hues, are well known for their skin-enhancing properties. Curcumin, the active compound in turmeric, has anti-inflammatory and antioxidant benefits that promote a natural glow and protect against skin aging. 12. Teal color foods support joint health. While naturally teal-colored foods are rare, some foods with a blue-green tint, like spirulina, are excellent for joint health. Rich in anti-inflammatory compounds, they help reduce joint pain and support overall mobility. 13. Bright red color foods boost blood circulation. Foods like pomegranates and cherries are particularly good for circulation. The anthocyanins and nitrates in these foods improve blood flow, ensuring that oxygen and nutrients are efficiently delivered throughout the body. 14. Pale yellow color foods enhance digestion. Foods like ginger and pineapple fall into this category. Pineapple contains bromelain, an enzyme that aids digestion, while ginger soothes the stomach and reduces nausea, making these foods excellent for digestive health. 15. Light purple color foods improve memory. Lighter purple foods like figs and plums contain polyphenols that have been shown to enhance memory and protect the brain from age-related decline. They help boost cognitive performance and protect against diseases like Alzheimer's. 16. Orange-red color foods help reduce blood pressure. Foods like carrots and red oranges are rich in potassium and other nutrients that help to reduce blood pressure by balancing sodium levels and promoting healthy vascular function. 17. Vibrant green color foods increase metabolism. Foods such as green tea, parsley, and chlorella are rich in chlorophyll, which helps boost metabolism. They also contain high levels of fiber, which aids in digestion and helps burn fat more efficiently. 18. Rust-colored foods promote better skin elasticity. Foods like cinnamon and dates with their rust hues support skin elasticity thanks to their high antioxidant content. They help protect the skin from environmental stressors, ensuring it stays supple and youthful. 19. Golden brown color foods help lower cholesterol. Foods like oats and flax seeds in this category are excellent for heart health. Their soluble fiber content helps reduce bad cholesterol LDL levels, supporting a healthier heart and arteries. 20. Bright orange color foods enhance vision. Carrots, oranges, and mangoes are packed with beta-carotene, a precursor to vitamin A, which is crucial for maintaining good eyesight. These foods help prevent macular degeneration and support overall eye health. Each color not only makes our plates more appealing, but also offers specific benefits to different parts of our body, making the simple act of eating a diverse, colorful diet one of the easiest ways to improve our overall health and well-being. If you enjoy this post, kindly share with someone. Thanks for your support. Will you like to write a book, share your story, ideas, or knowledge in a book? Now it's easier than ever. In 3 weeks, your book will be written and published. Send a message to bookminds247@gmail.com. Get my books on Amazon, my Amazon books. If you want customized songs for you or your loved one's birthday, wedding, or any ceremony, Ize Music got you. Contact +31,685,154,335 WhatsApp message only. For support and sponsorship, contact soapiansofgod@gmail.com. You can also check out these posts. 1. Stop looking for a job, work is with you. 2. Financial empowerment. 3. The means of money. 4. 7 ways to crystallize your ideas. 5. What to do when you are confused. Kindly drop your comments. Like and subscribe for more. Thanks for watching.